Hey guys, let's dive right into this explainer of the dubbed Resident Evil Afterlife standoff.
Albert Wesker kicks things off with a seriously chilling threat to Alice. Talk about intense.
But Wesker isn't just after petty revenge here. He's actually driven by severe biological desperation.
See, the T-virus resurrected him, but it's mutating way too fast and completely overpowering his system. This perfectly highlights his unstable state compared to Alice, who flawlessly bonded with the virus.
So, his main goal? He literally needs to consume Alice's stronger DNA to regain control.
But Alice isn't having it. She confidently shuts down his twisted plan with a bold declaration.
Right as the tension peaks, the momentum of the whole standoff just completely shifts.
Chris and Claire Redfield crash the party. They unite with Alice against their shared enemy.
Now outnumbered, Wesker acknowledges these united heroes with some seriously bitter, genuine frustration. After that, words fail. The room instantly erupts into absolute, life-for-death physical chaos.
Right in the middle of this brutal chaos, a panicked producer desperately begs for mercy.
Sadly, the apocalypse spares no one. His desperate pleas totally fail, sealing a very grim fate. But wait, out of all that bloodshed, our surviving heroes finally discover a real glimmer of hope. They intercept an emergency broadcast from the ship Arcadia, offering a literal lifeline with these guarantees. It literally promises the impossible: safety, food, and a sanctuary completely free from the infection.
So I gotta ask, is Arcadia humanity's true sanctuary, or is it just another deadly trap?